Have you ever thought of starting a business but worried about the risk of failure? It's a common concern, especially when you're stepping into the world of entrepreneurship. When you're considering starting your own venture, it's crucial to consider the risk factor, and one way to mitigate that risk is to look for businesses with low failure rates. In this video, we're going to discuss several business models that are known for their resilience and high success rates. From vending machines, laundromats, pet services and products, to cleaning services, pest control, rental properties, and more. These businesses not only require low initial investment, but also offer a manageable risk factor, making them an interesting option for both new and experienced entrepreneurs. Understanding the various aspects of these businesses can help you make a more informed decision about the kind of business you'd like to start. So, without further ado, now let's dive into the businesses that boast low failure rates. First on our list is the vending machine business. This business model is enticing due to its low initial investment. You don't need to break the bank to start a vending machine business. Even used vending machines can be a good starting point. Moreover, this business boasts a high success rate. It's a venture with manageable inventory and low risk. It's a small business that packs a punch, offering everything from food items to daily essentials. The vending machine business also provides a valuable learning curve. It gives you first-hand experience in various aspects of business management such as logistics, pricing, and margins. A couple of things to consider are the location, which ideally should have high foot traffic, and the necessity to negotiate with landlords and deal with multiple suppliers. In summary, vending machines can be an interesting option for both new and experienced entrepreneurs. The low entry cost, high success rate, and opportunity for learning make it an attractive venture. Next up is the laundromat business. The beauty of the laundromat business lies in its simplicity and necessity. Everyone needs clean clothes, right? That's what makes this business model so recession-resistant. Whether the economy is booming or in a slump, people will continue to wash their clothes, providing a steady stream of customers. With a laundromat, you're not just investing in a business, but in a service that is essential to daily life. This is the key to its high success rates. It's a business model that's straightforward to understand and relatively affordable to start, especially compared to other businesses. Another great aspect of running a laundromat is the minimal staffing requirement. With the right systems in place, you can operate with a lean team, reducing labor costs and increasing profitability. And lastly, as an owner, you have the flexibility to set a schedule that works for you and your customers. Laundromats are a safe bet due to their essential service and high success rates. For animal lovers, consider the pet services and products industry. It's a sector that's seeing a steady increase in demand. Why? Pets are increasingly viewed as family members. As a result, the average pet owner is willing to spend generously on their precious companions. Moreover, pet ownership rates are climbing, not just in multi-person households, but also among those living alone. This growing trend indicates a burgeoning market for pet services and products. Whether it's gourmet pet food, stylish accessories, grooming services, or specialized healthcare products, the opportunities are vast and varied. Key to this business is understanding the unique needs of different pets and their owners, and providing high-quality products and services that meet these needs. This industry also allows for creativity and innovation. Think organic pet food, smart toys, or mobile pet spas. The possibilities are endless. With the rise in pet ownership, this industry offers a great opportunity. Another business with a low failure rate is cleaning services. These businesses are critical to buildings and facilities across the country, providing an essential service that keeps spaces clean, functional, and inviting. One of the main benefits of starting a cleaning service business is its longevity. This is largely due to the long-term contracts that are often associated with these services. These contracts provide a consistent income that can make it easier for your business to survive downturns in the economy. Another advantage is its simplicity. Cleaning services offer a straightforward business model that doesn't require a large amount of startup capital. This low entry level makes it accessible for a wide range of entrepreneurs, whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your business portfolio. And don't forget about the variety of niches available, from simple janitorial services to specialized industrial cleaning for hazardous chemicals. With so many options, you can tailor your business to meet the specific needs of your target market. Cleaning services provide a simple business model with a low entry level. Pest control businesses are in high demand. Whether it's a commercial building or a residential property, everyone has to deal with bugs or rodents at some point. And that's where pest control businesses step in, providing a necessary service that keeps these unwelcome visitors at bay. One of the advantages of starting a pest control business is the consistent level of revenue. Customers often require regular service, ensuring a steady stream of income. And with pests being a year-round issue, the demand for these services remains constant. Moreover, this sector is growing. As urban areas expand, so does the need for pest control. This means more potential customers and therefore more potential profit. Another key point is the reduced competition. Pest control isn't a job that appeals to everyone. It requires certain skills and a level of comfort with handling pests. This means less competition, making it easier to establish and grow your business. With reduced competition, pest control businesses offer a steady stream of income. Next, consider the business of rental properties. This path can be financially rewarding, and it's a business model that's quite straightforward. You are investing in hard assets real estate, which historically appreciates over time. This appreciation adds to your wealth in a steady, often predictable manner. But the financial rewards are not just from the rental income or property appreciation. There are numerous tax benefits to owning rental properties. You may be able to deduct many of your expenses, such as maintenance costs. If you make improvements to your properties, these costs can often be deducted as well. Even depreciation, the gradual wear and tear of your property over time, can be used to your advantage come tax season. Venturing into the world of rental properties can be an exciting journey. It offers a simple business model with hard assets, steady appreciation, and significant tax benefits. Rental properties offer a simple business model with significant tax benefits. Self-storage has emerged as a lucrative business, driven by the ever-growing need for extra space among homeowners and businesses. Key advantages include the absence of tenant-related challenges, the solidity of hard assets, and a high success rate, despite the intensifying competition. What makes self-storage even more attractive is its potential for remote management, facilitated by cutting-edge technologies such as tracking software, security systems, and automated processes for payments and contracts. With the ability to operate with few employees or even no on-site management, self-storage presents a resilient and efficient investment opportunity. Self-storage key point. Don't have to deal with tenants. Hard asset resilient business with high success rates, but increasing competition in the market could be managed remotely. Technologies allow the owners to run the process automatically, like tracking software, cameras, security system, auto payment, auto contract. Few employees or no management on site may not be needed. As the world turns to online platforms for everyday needs, the transportation and delivery industry has become an indispensable player. Entrepreneurs in this field enjoy a high success rate coupled with relatively low risk, thanks to the escalating demands of online businesses, gig economies, and emerging delivery platforms. Offering a spectrum of services from trucking to individual item delivery, this industry empowers individuals to be their own bosses. The dynamic nature of the sector, coupled with the growing reliance on online services, positions transportation and delivery as a key player in the modern business landscape. Transportation and delivery key points. High success rate with relatively low risk. Increasing online businesses, gig economies, new platforms are increasing demands for delivery services. Offers different scales from trucking to individual item delivery. You can be your own boss. As the world turns to online platforms for everyday needs, the transportation and delivery industry has become an indispensable player. Entrepreneurs in this field enjoy a high success rate coupled with relatively low risk, thanks to the escalating demands of online businesses, gig economies, and emerging delivery platforms. Offering a spectrum of services, from trucking to individual item delivery, this industry empowers individuals to be their own bosses. The dynamic nature of the sector, coupled with the growing reliance on online services, positions transportation and delivery as a key player in the modern business landscape. Funeral services key points. Funerals are a necessary. Unfortunately, death is an inevitable part of life. Increasing aging population. Baby boomer generation is larger than other generations. High demands potential to foster long-term relationships with families. Low failure sector. So, there you have it. We've traversed the landscape of businesses with low failure rates, each with its unique advantages and opportunities. From the humble vending machine business that offers an affordable entry point and manageable inventory, to pest control services that provide consistent revenue and less competition. We've explored the laundromat industry, a simple yet essential service that's recession-resistant and requires few employees. We've ventured into the pet services and products sector, a thriving industry that capitalizes on the growing trend of pets being treated as cherished family members. We've also looked at cleaning services, a straightforward business with a low entry level that offers longevity due to long-term contracts and a consistent income stream. And let's not forget about the rental properties business, a simple enterprise with hard assets, tax benefits, and potential for property appreciation. We've considered self-storage businesses, a sector that's growing as people accumulate more possessions over the years. And we've examined the transport and delivery industry, which has become increasingly valuable in this era of online shopping and home deliveries. And finally, we've touched on the funeral services industry, a sector that offers essential services and rewarding work by providing support to families in their time of need. Remember, when you're thinking about starting a business, it's critical to consider the risk of failure. It's not just about finding a business that you're passionate about or one that seems profitable on the surface. You need to look at the bigger picture and consider the stability of the industry, the demand for the product or service, and the level of competition. Each of these businesses we've discussed today has proven to have a lower failure rate due to various factors. Whether it's because they offer essential services, have low entry costs, or are in growing sectors, these businesses offer a safer bet for budding entrepreneurs. Remember, choosing a business with a low failure rate can significantly increase your chances of success. Good luck with your entrepreneurial journey.